Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Discord not opening. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, first thing that you will do is simply go to your Discord application, and from here just right click on it and just simply go to properties. And here on the properties guys, just simply go to compatibility, and from here just make sure to click on run this program as an administrator and make sure to disable full screen optimization. And now guys, make sure to apply it over here and click on OK. So now from there, you should be able to fix the issue. But guys, if it doesn't, next option that you have is just simply go to start menu over here and search for apps. And from here, you should be able to see apps and features. So guys, from here, a pop-up will show up. And after that, just simply go ahead and go for Discord. As you can see, it is over here, Discord. So just simply click on it. And from here, just simply uninstall it and click on uninstall. So guys, once it is done uninstalling, just open up a web browser into your desktop and just simply go to discord.com, and from here just simply reinstall it back again into your Windows. So from here at the discord.com, you should be able to see here down below download for Windows. And after that, just simply select a file location. I'm gonna go for desktop and click on save. From here guys, just simply open up the Discord setup. And after that, once it is open, it will automatically download. As you can see, we will now have the application, and from there you should be able to fix the issue and you'll be able to open up your Discord. And as you can see, just simply provide your email and pass and you'll be able to log in. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!